In this video, I am presenting a methodology by which units can be converted from one system to another system. Let me take the example of mass. So, the property of mass can be expressed in different units like kilograms, grams, milligrams, micrograms. All these units are regularly being used. For example, in industry, we use kilograms of reactants. In laboratory, for the pilot scale synthesis, we use grams and milligrams of the compounds. In analytical methods, we estimate the amount in micrograms in sensitive methods, especially like HPGLC, HPLC methods. So, very often we encounter with calculations wherein units has to be converted from one system to another system. So, what is a systematic method for converting units from one system to another system? That method is called unit factor method. It is also having names like dimensional analysis, factor label method, etc. Let me take up this question. 200 milligrams has to be converted to grams. Let this be my question. So, what is the first step that I should be doing? The first step is identify the bigger unit. In case gram, 1 gram. Convert it into the smallest unit which is given in the question. It is milligram. So, this is my first step. I have to equate the bigger unit with the smaller unit which is given in the question. Now comes my second step. That is, you have to derive the unit factor out of the above data. Two unit factors can be there. That is, 1 gram is equal to 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram divided by 1 gram. And what is the another unit factor? 1 milligram, that is equal to 1 gram divided by 1000 milligram. So two unit factors. Either I can take 1 to the down and I get this unit factor, or 1000 I can take down. That time 1 milligram will be equal to 1 gram divided by 1000 milligrams. Now the last and the final step, that is the third step. I will multiply this 200 milligrams with unit factor. So here, when I am selecting the unit factor, among the two unit factors, as you can see here, one unit factor is 1000 by 1, another one is 1 by 1000 along with the units. I should select that unit which contains the same unit in the numerator. That means the desired unit or the unit in which I require the final answer is in grams. So this grams should be in numerator. So here you see the grams is in numerator, not this, because it contains milligrams in numerator. I don't want that. I will not use it. Rather, I will use this as the unit factor because that contains grams in the numerator. So in the next step, I will multiply 200 milligram into 1 gram divided by 1000 milligrams. So here milligram and milligram will cancel and I'll be getting the final answer 2 into 10 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 grams will be there, or this, if I can simplify it, it becomes 0.2 grams it will be, because 2 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is minus 1 grams, or that is equal to 2 into 1 by 10. So that is equal to 0.2 grams. That is, my final answer will be 0.2 grams. So 200 milligrams will be equal to 0.2 grams. I'll explain it again. The first step, I have to put an equation connecting grams and milligrams. The bigger unit I have to write first, smaller unit I have to write next. Then I have to derive an unit factor. Either it can be 1 gram divided by 1000 milligrams, or it can be 1000 milligrams divided by 1 gram. Two unit factors I'll be getting. Multiply the figure in question, that is 200 milligrams, with the unit factor. Which unit factor will I choose? That unit factor which contains the desired unit in numerator. So what is the desired unit? Milligrams in numerator. So here the desired unit which I require is 200 milligrams has to be converted to grams. So the unit which I require is in grams. So among these two, this unit factor and this unit factor, I'll be selecting the second one because that contains the desired unit. 1 gram is present. Gram is present on the top. So 200 milligrams into 1 gram divided by 1000 milligrams. Milligram and milligram will cancel. I'll be getting 200 divided by 1000. So that comes out to be 2 into 10 to the power of 2. 200 I'll put it as 2 into 10 to the power of 2. 10 raised to 3, when it comes to the top, I'll put it as 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 is 10 raised to minus 1. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 1, or 2 into 1 by 10, that's equal to 0.2 grams. So 200 milligrams is 0.2 grams. Like this, I can find out, suppose the question is 200 grams is equal to how many milligrams? If the question is, in this case, I want to find out in terms of milligrams. So the unit factor which I will select is this one. Why? Because in this, the desired unit in my question grams, I want to convert it into milligrams. So here the milligrams is present in the numerator. The desired unit is present in numerator. So I'll select this and then I can work it out. So that will be equal to 200 grams into 1000 milligrams divided by 1 gram. So that will be equal to gram and gram will go. So that will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 raised to 3 milligrams. So that will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 milligrams. Or my answer will be, in this case, 200 grams, that will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 milligrams. My answer is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 milligrams. So this is the way to do it. So unit factor method is a systematic method of finding out the final result in the desired unit. So in the next case, I am trying to explain where we cannot do it in a single step. For example, I want to convert say 200 milligrams into say kilograms. Here as you can see, the milligram you cannot directly convert it into kilograms because milligrams first you have to convert grams, grams only you can convert it into kilograms. So the same steps I am going to follow here. Identify the bigger unit, kilograms. Identify the smaller unit, milligrams. So I want to take an equation connecting the two. So I want to find out 1 kilogram is equal to how many milligrams. So what I will do, I will go from kilogram first to grams and then grams to milligrams I will go. So we all know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Further, I have to cut short this from 1 gram to milligrams. How many milligrams it is? So we all know 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So 1000 grams will be equal to how much? 1000 into 1 gram, that is equal to 1000 into 1000 milligram, or 1000 grams will be equal to 10 raised to 6 milligrams. We all know here it is 1000 it is 1000 into 1000, that is 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3, that is equal to 10 raised to 6. So 1000 grams is nothing but 1 kilogram. So I'll, instead of 1000 grams, I'll put 1 kilogram, that is equal to 10 raised to 6 milligram. Now I got the point here. So unit factor, I have derived it. 1 kilogram is equal to 10 raised to 6 milligrams. So the next step already we did. So unit factor. So what is the unit factor? 1 kilogram is equal to 10 raised to 6 milligram divided by 1 kilogram. And what is the another unit factor? 1 milligram, that will be equal to 1 kilogram divided by 10 raised to 6 milligram. So two unit factors I have got here. These are the two unit factors. What are the two unit factors? 10 raised to 6 divided by 1 and 1 divided by 10 raised to 6. So now the next question comes, among this, which unit factor I should be using? Definitely the final answer which I require is kilogram. So I'll select that unit factor which contains kilogram in the numerator. So I'll go for it. So I'll multiply 200 milligram multiplied by, here the kilogram is present here in the numerator, so I will select that, into 1 kilogram divided by 10 raised to 6 milligrams. So that will be equal to, milligram and milligram will cancel. So 2 into 10 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 kilogram. As you understand, the 10 raised to 6, when I take it to the top, it will become 10 raised to minus 6. 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. The law of exponent tells that the value is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 kilograms. So my 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 will be equal to 10 raised to minus 4. So my final answer will be 200 milligrams will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 kilograms will be my final answer. So this is how you can convert it in 2 steps. Now we have got another examples where there can be properties which are expressed using combination of units. Like for example, you have density. Let us assume that the density being given is, say, 3 grams per ml, and the question is we have to convert this into milligrams per liter. So how to go about it? First, we have to take the bigger unit. Of course, it is 1 gram per ml, and we need to convert it into the desired unit, where grams has to be converted to milligrams. So it will become 1000 milligrams per ml. We know it is 10 raised to minus 3 liters. How the ml has become 10 raised to minus 3 liters? Because we know that 1 liter is 1000 ml. So invariably 1 ml will be equal to 10 raised to minus 3 liters. Because this 1000, when you take it to the other side, it becomes 10 raised to minus 3 liters. So 1 ml will be equal to 10 raised to minus 3 liters. So the final result will be equal to 1 gram per ml will be equal to 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3 milligram per liter. Because 10 raised to minus 3, when I take it to the top, it becomes 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3. So that is equal to 10 raised to 6 milligram per liter. Now I need to find out the unit factor. So 1 gram per ml will be equal to 10 raised to 6 milligram per liter divided by 1 gram per ml, and the another one is 1 milligram per liter, that's equal to 1 gram per ml divided by 10 raised to 6 milligram per liter. Just see this. The unit factor we have to derive from this. 1 gram per ml is equal to 10 raised to 6 milligrams per liter. We have identified 1 gram per ml is equal to 10 raised to 6 milligrams per liter. So from this we need to find out unit factor. So what is the unit factor? 1 gram per ml is equal to 10 raised to 6 milligrams per liter divided by 1 gram per ml. And other way, 1 milligram per liter, that is equal to 1 gram per ml divided by 10 raised to 6 milligrams per liter. So the two unit factors we have found it out. Now we are going for the last one. We need to convert grams per ml to milligrams per liter. So the desired unit is milligrams per liter. So we need to find out in which unit factor the numerator contains this unit, milligrams per liter. So it is this one. Milligrams per liter is this one. So 3 grams per ml, that will be equal to 3 grams per ml multiplied by 10 raised to 6 milligram per liter divided by 1 gram per ml. Both will cancel, gram per ml, and the final answer will be 3 into 10 to the power of 6 milligram per liter. This will be the answer. So we will have units wherein combination of two units will be there, like grams per ml. So they also can be suitably converted to the required units by following the unit factor method. So with this, we have discussed in detail how the unit factor can be employed for the conversion of units from one system to another system. If you have liked this video, please do share this video with your friends also. And if you feel there are any topics on which the video should be posted, please WhatsApp to this number 9496545116, or you can put a mail to kmano1975@rediffmail.com, or you can type it in the comment box that is available along with this video. Bye.